Hello, my name is Arif Alferi. I'm from University of Jakarta, and today I'll be presenting about my chapter 4 of Skripsi. First thing is descriptive analysis. Reputation Benjamin emisi of variable 1 has the max value is 1, and max value of which is PT Archie Indonesia Tbk, and the minimum value is 0 at PTS Oilfield Tbk. Second one is intellectual capital disclosure. Max value is 0.67 at PT Cipta Selera Murni Tbk, and the minimum value is 0.33 at PT Bunda Medik Tbk. And last one is presentasi penawaran saham, which has max value of 0.40 at PT Mandiri Cemerlang, and min value is 0.01 at PT Nusa Palapa Gemilang. And lastly, underpricing has max value of 0.63 at PT Crombang Indonesia, and minimum value of 0.01 at PT Archie Indonesia. Next, I will be going through uji asumsi klasik. First, I'm doing uji normalitas, which has 0.083924 result and exceeds the significant levels of 0.05, which means normality test is okay. Second one is multicollinearity test. From the test result above, variable x1 and y has 1.095773. Variable x2 and y has 1.055968, and variable x3 and y amounted to 1.048333, which means the three variable has p-value of less than 10, so it been concluded that there is no multicollinearity. Third one is heteroscedasticity test, which has a probability of r squared, which is 0.3997, which is higher than 0.05. That means the data is normally distributed. The fourth one is autocorrelati test. The Durbin-Watson stat has 1.77 which is higher than DU that has 1.6946, and less than DU, which has 2.3054, which means that there is no autocorrelation. Next one is analysis regresi berganda. The regression test results show that the constant value of 0.557098 indicates that when underwriter reputation, intellectual capital disclosure, and percentage of share offering are considered as independent variables, the dependent variables in the study, which is underpricing, is 0.5570 and 98. Because the regression coefficient value of non-derived reputation is negative 0.0113,505, it can be concluded the variable y will decrease by 0.013,505 if the variable x1 increase and vice versa. The x2 has negative 0.62 and 9,996, which means that variable y will decrease by 0.62 97 and 90,996 if the variable x2 increase and vice versa. Last one is the regression coefficient value of the intellectual capital disclosure. Variable is positive at 0.01237.6, so it can be grounded. The variable y will increase by 0.03123.76 if the variable increase and vice versa. Next one is uji determinasi R. According to the result, the determination test calculation shows that three independent variables on the materialization, intellectual capital structure, and percentage of share offering are responsible for 11.44% of the variables that affect the independent variable, which is the level of underpricing, and the additional variable not included in the Regression model equation amount for 56% of the influence on the independent variable. Next one is UGF. All independent variables of underwriter reputation, intellectual capital disclosure, and percentage of share offering affect the dependent variable, namely the level of stock underpricing. The F-test results show in the table above that the statistical probability of F equals 0.0161337, that is less than 0.05, which means there is no UGF correlation. UGT partial, according to the partial test result, the test value then is 0.3744647 with a probability of 7092, which is greater than 0.05, indicating that the underwriter representation has no influence on the underpricing. According to the result shown in table 6, the statistical obtained is minus 0.374,647 with a probability value of 0.7092, which is greater than 0.05, indicating that the underwriter representation has no influence on the level of underpricing. Lastly, statistical value obtained in 0.00515 with a probability of 0.9483, which is greater than 0.05, which has no influence of underpricing, which means that the only variable that has influence is the number 2. X1 has no effect. The result of this study superposes research test by Gede and Putu, which state that underwriter reputation has no effect on the pricing. This shows that investors do not pay attention to the price decline of its issuer, so that is called estimate the proper value or the true value of the IPO company. Sugianto stated that the lack of effect of underwriter reputation on underpricing can be caused by different references from reputable underwriters used by researchers, and related investors may not reflect the investment quality of the company. Therefore, investors have not been relevant analysis very good even though issuer has good underpricing reputation. The test results show that the intellectual capital culture has a negative effect on underpricing. Thus, the hypothesis stating that the culture of Mingo has no negative effect on pricing is accepted, which this means that the disclosure of intellectual capital disclosure is able to minimize the occurrence of underpricing in companies that conduct IPO. The high disclosure of intellectual capital disclosure in the prospectus can reduce uncertainty for supervisor as to reduce information asymmetry and can provide a positive signal for investors who get more information about the issuer and can assess the issuer properly. Lastly, the X3 has no effect because the number of shares doesn't provide information regarding the growth, prospect, and potential of the company as a whole in the future. The conclusion, based on the result of the research conducted of the effect of underwriter representation, intellectual capital disclosure, and percentage of share offering on pricing, This study, the population used company that conducted IPO from 2020 and 2021 and the data from IPO websites, namely IPO.com, and the number of samples used was 64 samples of companies that conduct IPO. For companies that want to conduct IPO in Indonesia, they should pay attention to the fact of technical disclosure on advertising. From the result of the study, it's known that the independent variable of intellectual capital disclosure affects pricing, while the variable of underwriter advertising has no effect. Therefore, companies that want to conduct IPO should remove complete intellectual capital information in order to get the positive information received by the affect investor decisions to buy IPO share by make a company and underwriter so that the company can maximize the capital obtained. Research recommendation. Based on the research result, there are several suggestions that can be given for further research. First, research can expand the scope of independent variables to evaluate other factors that may contribute to underpricing. Second, research can expand the sample and samples to get more transparency result. In addition, future research can also consider using more sophisticated analytical methods to gain a deeper understanding of the underpricing phenomenon IPO. Thank you for your attention. Goodbye.